I wanted to introduce you, Kanisha to Will and Will to Kanisha.
How you doing, Kanisha? I'm a local investor out here in Las Vegas, Nevada. I actually invest throughout the country. Please correct me if I'm wrong. You have a property, but currently what you can sell it for is going to be less than what you actually owe.
Yeah.
I've been in situations like this because not only that, then you got to pay taxes on that because you're going to have a capital gains. Unless
Yes.
you're going and immediately buying another property, I mean, you're pretty much going to
No,
walk
I'm
with,
not.
yeah, so you're pretty much going to walk with nothing because you're still going to have to pay those taxes. And so what I would like to propose is see if you're open to doing something called a subject to, which is essentially where I say, hey, Kanisha, let me take over the property. Let me get it up to livable standards. I'll give you a check for X amount of dollars and we can negotiate that. And then essentially I will control the property. We can do everything on paper. And then I will go and get financing and assume your entire mortgage.
I'm in a situation where I have to get rid of that house before these bills keep piling up.
Agreed.
That's my situation.
Are you behind on payments?
Yeah, I'm way behind.
How far?
Because I've been getting deferments. I'm about $42,000 behind.
We can avoid going through a traditional type of transaction, but essentially if I can put a deal together to where you're not short selling, we can get the arrears caught up, you will let me assume the mortgage. Of course, I still want to see the property to see if it makes sense. And then what we'll even do is I'll offer one of my third-party companies to actually even fix your credit for you at no cost.